The side of an equilateral triangle is 3.5 centimeter and you have to find its perimeter. So it's a word problem on multiplication of decimals. So this is our equilateral triangle ABC. The sides of this equilateral triangle is 3.5 centimeter and you have to find the perimeter. Now we know that the perimeter of any equilateral triangle is given by perimeter for any equilateral triangle is given by 3 times 3 multiplied by a, where a is the side of that equilateral triangle, the length of the side of any equilateral triangle. So putting this these values in this formula, you have perimeter is equal to 3 multiplied by a means what? 3.5, right? And this will be centimeter. Now if you multiply 3.5 with 3, then 3.5 multiplied by 3, 3, 5, 15, 9 and 10. Now how many digits do we have to the right of this decimal point? Only one, so this will be 10.5. So your answer will be 10.5 centimeter. Okay. The length of a rectangle is 7.1 centimeter and its breadth is 2.5 centimeter. What is the area of the rectangle? So we have this rectangle ABCD where length L is 7.1 centimeter and breadth B is 2.5 centimeter. You have to find the area of this rectangle. Now we know that for any rectangle, area is, if you represent this with A, is equal to L multiplied by B, where L is length and breadth is B is breadth. If you put these values here, so this will be 7.1 times 2.5 multiplied by 2.5 centimeter square. Now you have to multiply two decimal numbers. So let's begin with 7.1 multiplied with 2.5. Okay. Just for a moment forget these decimal points. Okay. And treat these numbers as 71 and 25. So 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 7 is 35. Then 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 7 is 14. This is 5. You have to add them 7, 7 and 1. Okay. Now look at this decimal point. How many digits do we have to the right of this decimal point? We have 1 digit. How many digits do we have to the right of this decimal point? We have 1 digit. Therefore we have total 2 digits in calculating from both these two numbers, decimal numbers. We have 2 digits that are after the decimal point. So start from here, 1, 2. So place before this second digit from the right. So this is 17.75. So the answer for this one is 17.75 centimeter square.